Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. This email and password combination is incorrect on Spotify. So if you're trying to log in to your Spotify app and facing this problem, I'll help you fix it easily. Let's start without wasting any time. First of all, go back and open your Spotify app. Now click on Login, enter your email address, and then type in your password. As you can see, when I try to log in, I get this error. To fix this, simply click on Login without password. After that, tap on Open Email. Now, go to your Gmail or the email linked with your Spotify account, and you'll see an email from Spotify with a login link. Once you open that link, go back to Spotify, and your app will log in smoothly without any problem. So, by following this method, you'll be able to log in to your Spotify app easily. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you!